Hello and welcome. In this video we'll explain what roller barrier is and show you some of the ways it could help you. Designed to prevent intruders from climbing into or onto your property, or to help keep people within designated areas, roller barrier is a well-proven and very effective anti-climbing device that's totally safe. It's a non-aggressive anti-climb barrier that not only looks good but eliminates the possibility of impalement injury to anyone attempting to climb over it. So there's no risk to you having to defend against costly and time-consuming, no-win, no-fee type personal injury claims from would-be perpetrators. Developed and manufactured by Insight Security, the product has a proven track record of success throughout the UK, with early systems installed in 2003 still delivering effective protection for their users. Success and popularity in the UK has led to roller barrier being distributed internationally, with many large and effective installations in countries as far afield as the USA, Canada, Australia and New Zealand. The system features a series of oversized and independently rotating cups, threaded onto a central shaft to form an unstable and therefore instantly effective anti-climb barrier. The barrier can be fixed to perimeter structures such as walls, gates and fences, and it's also great for preventing access to flat roofs, upper story windows or other vulnerable areas. The mounting brackets, which are used to secure the barrier to those structures, are the third main component of the system. Our standard bracket range is great for most applications and locations, but Insight are happy to produce bespoke brackets for those odd occasions where a special bracket is needed. As well as being effective, the general appearance of an installed barrier is also often a key factor for a user when choosing their anti-climb solution. The non-threatening appearance of roller barrier makes it ideally suited for use in areas where a more aggressive looking anti-climb barrier would simply not do. The roller barrier anti-climb system is widely used in and around schools and children's play areas and is now the system of choice for many schools, public buildings and parks. It's also used in psychiatric hospitals and secure medical facilities, prisons and young offender institutions, and homes for autism among other areas, where its non-threatening appearance prevents it causing mental distress or anger among patients or inmates. Other applications range from railway-related installations to widespread use at commercial premises and domestic properties. Though the most popular cup colour is black, for special orders and to blend in with the local environment, roller barrier cups and mounting brackets can be produced in any standard rail colour, with green and white also proving popular choices. For more information, please visit our website or call our knowledgeable friendly team on 01273 475500. If you found this video helpful and watched it on YouTube, please click on the like button. And don't forget to subscribe to the Insight video channel for more helpful security and safety videos.